In our integrations area, I want to at least make sure that you guys are aware of it. We've had in the past, we've had the email leads to SAM option where you can set up an email address, have emails automatically forwarded to that email address, and SAM will use its AI to automatically parse that information and put it in. That works great. What we've added though is a website form integration. So if you've got a form on your website, you can do a couple different things. Now, if you don't have to mess with this at all, if you don't want to, you can just use the email, have an email for those leads that you have on your website right now, and just automatically import them through the email part. But if you have the ability to edit your website, maybe you've got a special form on your website that you've set up. So here's, maybe you've got a form on there that asks for first name, last name, phone number, email, and maybe their hobbies or whatever. In your case, it would probably be more like desired home location or something like that. You can set up the form, and whenever they submit on that form, you can now integrate it so that it sends it straight to SAM. SAM will take those fields, and what you can do is come in here and grab this. You can have the form data mapped into SAM specifically so that if the form name is this, SAM's field name here, then it will bring that data in and fill it in to the specific fields that you want. In addition to that, you can classify them and do things. Whenever you're setting this up for security purposes, so somebody doesn't hack into your account or whatever, there's some website domain settings that you have to set up and make sure that things tie together properly for security purposes. But what this does then is this allows you to set it up so that you submit a form request, it can come straight into SAM automatically. The other thing that this does is if you don't have a form, but you want to put a form on your account, you can come here. So you've put in your fields. You can click on this little copy from HTML. It will copy the HTML, and let me get a screen here for you. This may not make sense until I actually show it. It will create all the HTML code for it to use, and it will include on the form action the SAM form URL that will submit it, along with the form ID that goes with it, so that the leads come into your account, not somebody else's account. So everything's tied together. It's all secure, and make sure that it works for you. If you have your own forms, there's a couple links for copying the form ID, and the URL is there as well. But this is very powerful. I need to show how this is used and stuff. We'll do that maybe next week